Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by deciding ride height and sourcing parts rated for your BMW X5. Lowering springs or coilovers change handling and clearance. Once you have specs, jack the car at manufacturer lift points and secure with stands. This prevents chassis sag and keeps the suspension unloaded. Make sure to remove the wheel to expose the strut assembly. You should also loosen the top strut nut slightly, while the weight is still on the hub to stabilize components before full removal. Once the wheel is off, unbolt the sway bar link and the strut knuckle bolts. Support the hub to keep the CV joint from binding. Now compress the spring with a rated compressor, safety first, and remove the top strut mount nut. You'll swap in the lowering spring or thread in the coilover while noting spring orientation and preload. Incorrect preload alters ride and ride height. Reassemble the strut, torque everything to BMW values, and repeat the process on the other corner to maintain balanced geometry. After both sides are installed, lower the vehicle slowly and let the suspension settle on its own weight before tightening wheel lug nuts to spec. This prevents binding. You then measure ride heights and take a short test drive, push through turns and speed bumps to detect noises or rubbing. If handling feels off, schedule a professional four-wheel alignment immediately because lowering changes camber and toe. If you encounter excessive noise or sag, recheck fasteners and spring orientation. A common fix is correct.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.